Hello everyone, welcome to Kitchen Sizzlers. I'm Reju and this is my daughter Nia.
Hello.
So I'm starting a new series called Mom Daughter Cooking. Actually, I'm just teaching my daughter how to cook. So today we are going to start with a very basic recipe. Now to the ingredients. So I have here some runner beans from our garden. You can use any beans. I'm just using this because I have this. So yeah, and then the other ingredients, I'm going to use some garlic. You can take around 5 cloves of garlic, or I mean, if you like more garlic, you can use more. And then I'm using green chilies. These are for some spice. We like spicy food, so we are going to use green chilies, and I'm going to use some red chilies. This is to give some color to the dish. And then 1 large onion, some curry leaves. I got these curry leaves from India from a recent trip, but you can always get it from your local store, and some salt. So these are the ingredients. And then now I'll show my daughter how to chop them, and then she's going to chop the whole thing and she's going to actually cook today. Okay, so take these beans, okay, and then you need to chop the edges off. So just chop them off like that, and chop this edge as well. Okay, and then sometimes you may get these strings. So yeah, again chop this end and chop the other end, and then yeah, just cut them into small pieces, this size, so it will cook well. So this is the size. And yeah, actually you can use whatever beans you have at home, like French beans or long beans or anything, but yeah, just because I have this at home already, I'm using this. Okay, so yeah, so now can you cook everything in this size, Nia? Yeah, so now Nia's chopping the rest of the beans exactly the way I showed her. That's good. Is it hard?
It's okay. These are just really big beans.
Okay. Good. I think you've chopped quite a bit.
There's so much left.
Yes, chopped all the beans. Okay, so now I'll show you how to cut the onions, okay?
Oh, what's that?
Okay, so now let me show you how to cut the onions. I mean it's simple. So chop the edges. Yeah, and then yeah. Yeah, I'm going to use these peels in my compost, and yeah, cut them into 2, and then yeah, I'm just going to slice them like this. Okay, so that's how you chop the onions. Yeah, so now I think you can continue with the rest.
Am I doing it right?
Yeah, that's perfect.
The end is a bit hard. Like this? Is that okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
Yeah. It could have been a bit more thinner, but it's fine.
Okay. What's this?
How are you doing, Nia?
I'm okay. I'm glad I'm wearing my glasses so I have like 1 layer of protection, but my eyes are burning.
That's okay. Yeah. Probably you can cut the chilies into small slices as well.
This way.
Yeah. Okay, that's good.
Is this size okay?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, be careful with the green chilies.
Whoops. So many seeds. Whoops.
To the green chilies?
Hmm?
You're chopping the green chilies now?
Yeah, I'm doing them both at the same time.
And then you can peel the garlic. You can peel the garlic.
Just with my hands.
Yeah. Yeah, you can chop the edge with the knife then.
This one.
Yeah.
Yep.
So chop the garlic again into thin slices like this. Okay. Yeah, so small slices like this. Yeah. You can do the rest. So you're chopping the garlic. Okay, so that's the last thing to chop, right?
Why are you asking me?
Yes. Okay, so these are all the chopped vegetables. Now we'll get cooking. Yeah, you can pour the oil into the pan.
Tell me when to stop.
Yeah, that's enough, that's enough.
Quickly.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, we've just transferred it to this smaller burner because the other one was too hot. Yeah, okay. So now you can actually add the chopped onions.
A few chilies in there as well.
That's fine. Yeah, just saute the onions.
Okay. Splashing a lot.
Okay. Yeah, once it's a bit soft, you can add the garlic and the chilies. It's getting cooked. Yeah. Yeah, I think now you can add the garlic and the chilies. Yeah, actually you can add the curry leaves as well. Just add a few of them. Yeah, that's good. You can actually close it and keep for some time till it cooks. Yeah, let it cook for some time, yeah? And then you can add the beans. Okay, this has now been cooking for 2 minutes. Yeah, you can add the beans in. Yeah, now you have to close the lid again and leave it for maybe 5 minutes, and then you have to stir it. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to stir it for the first time, otherwise Mia's going to spill it everywhere. So
How do you know that?
yeah, you can see the onions have caramelized as well, so that gives a good flavor. Yeah, you have to keep stirring it for some time. So this has now been cooking for around 5 minutes, probably another 15 minutes and it will be done. So now Mia's stirring it. How does it look? Is it done?
No.
Yeah.
Not yet.
Yeah, before it's done, we need to add the salt. So now this has been cooking at least for another 7 to 8 minutes. Yeah, you can actually put some salt, and you can reduce the flame a bit. Yeah.
How much salt?
Maybe 3, 4
Oh, so
spoons.
look at how cute these cups are.
Yeah,
How many?
maybe 3 spoons in that.
3 spoons.
Yeah, and then if the salt is less, we can always add some later.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's almost done. Maybe another 5 minutes and it's done. Okay, Nia. Now can you taste your bean stir fry and see if there's enough salt?
Sure. Okay. Oh, it's hot. No, it needs more salt.
Okay, you can just put some salt there.
Okay. Now it might be too much, but
Yeah, I think it's done, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, so I think it's taken a total of about 15 minutes to cook this.
yeah.
Yeah, that's just the cooking time. I'm going to switch it off now because it's done. It's basically done. So. And then I'm going to transfer it to this bowl. Okay, so that's our bean stir fry done, and yeah, this is cooked by Mia. So hopefully she'll cook this in her university, and it's going to be a useful dish for her. So see you again in my next video. I'll be posting videos more frequently, and yeah, see you with a new dish next time. Bye.